In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out on Soundtrap. So there's actually two ways to do this. I'm going to show you both. The first one and the easiest one is down here at the bottom right. You can see on your grid, there's like the plus button and the minus button to zoom in and zoom out. So just click on either zoom in and it's going to zoom in like that. And it's also going to kind of position it wherever your playhead is. So if I go over here, for example, I click on the plus, as you can see, it's going to zoom in here where the playhead is currently positioned. So that's the first way. Of course, you can zoom out by pressing this minus button over here as well, next to the magnifying glass, and you're good to go. That's how you can zoom in or zoom out. Now, if you want to be a bit more fancy and you want to use your keyboard shortcuts, you could also go and just hold down your control key on your keyboard, and then from there, you could go and use the plus or minus button on your keyboard, but that's not really going to zoom in the grid. It's going to zoom in the entire interface like that. So in case you wanted to achieve this, you can do that too. Now, you could also, of course, hold down your control key on the keyboard and then use the scroll wheel on your mouse when you are inside the grid with your mouse like that. And if you scroll up, it's going to basically zoom in, but if you scroll down, it's going to zoom out. So try it out, hold down your control key, and then you can go ahead and basically zoom in and zoom out. And what's great about that is it's actually going to zoom in wherever your cursor is. So if I want to zoom in like over here, my playhead doesn't even have to be there. For example, like this, I'm going to position it here and I'm going to zoom in over here. And as you can see, I'm zooming directly in there. So that's really convenient. Of course, you could also go and zoom in using your mouse and the control wheel. So if you go out of your grid to the left here or to the top and you hold down control and you scroll up or down, it's going to zoom in or zoom out the entire interface in case that's something you actually wanted to achieve. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.